Welcome back to my channel Auto Show. In today's video, we are reviewing the new 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost Mini Truck, a strong, reliable, and fuel-efficient commercial vehicle designed for small businesses and transport needs. If you are planning to start a delivery service, goods transport, or utility business, then this review will definitely help you. The new Dost Mini now comes with a rugged yet modern design. The front grille has been redesigned for better air intake, while the bumper and headlamp styling give it a bold appearance. The body structure is made of high-strength steel, built to handle tough road conditions. The loading deck is wide and practical, making it suitable for carrying goods like FMCG products, hardware materials, construction items, LPG cylinders, and agricultural supplies. Inside the cabin, Ashok Leyland has focused on comfort and practicality. It features a spacious driver cabin, adjustable seats, mobile charging port, lockable glove box, large windshield for better visibility, and ergonomic dashboard controls. Even during long-distance goods transport, the cabin comfort helps reduce driver fatigue. Safety features include front disc brakes, seat belts, reinforced chassis design, and load-sensing braking for improved balance and control. Powering the 2025 Dost Mini is a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine that produces around 70 horsepower and 170 Nm torque. It is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, offering smooth gear shifts and durability. Even on inclines or full load, it pulls well without struggle. Now talking about mileage, this mini truck is well known for fuel efficiency. When unloaded, it gives an impressive mileage of 18 to 19 km per liter. When fully loaded with cargo, the mileage remains strong at 16 to 17 km per liter, depending on road and driving conditions. With a payload capability of up to 1,250 kg, it handles business needs with ease. Let's talk pricing. In India, the starting ex-showroom price for the 2025 Dost Mini ranges from 700,000 Indian rupees to 750,000 Indian rupees, depending on the variant. When converted to US dollars, that comes to approximately $8,500 to $9,000. That makes it one of the most affordable and practical mini trucks in its class. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and durable commercial truck, the 2025 Ashok Leyland Dost Mini is a smart investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Show for more vehicle updates.